Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal for July of 2022. Now, I'm sorry we're a little bit late. We told you guys these might be more late than they are. We were afraid they were going to be a little longer because of the incident at our stamp club our stamp manufacturing company where they had a power issue for about 10 days, but they're back up and running and they got these out super fast. So we are blessed for that. That means your stamps will be in the mail to you tomorrow. So they'll be one day late getting in the mail just because of when they got here, but not 10 days like we were afraid of. So that's awesome. All right, guess what? You all said it like in a live I was in earlier. You're like, I cannot believe you've waited this long to do this stamp set. And it's true. We've needed one of these for a long time and I could not be happier. Are you ready for this one? This one is Jesus is my jam. Come on, how cute is this, right? Look, this little jam jar and this little label, inside of here you can stamp taste and see that the Lord is good. It'll fit right inside here. And then Jesus is my jam, which I think is so cute. And then sending up very special prayers for you for the inside of your card or for the outside. But I thought that was a really good inside sentiment. I love this Jesus is my jam, and I'll tell you why. When I used to teach children ages ago, there was a song we sang and it said Jesus is my jam, and they wanted to sing that over and over and over, and I just thought this reminds me of it so much. So that was fun to put that in. Also, look, of course it's strawberries, right? It just feels like it has to be with the little blossoms and the little cluster of strawberries. Of course, this can be anything. You can make it fig, you can make it peach, you can make it blueberry, blackberry, grape. Ironically, this is actually a jam I can make. I can actually make this kind of jam. So I didn't get to make one for this video, but Shannon and Taylor did, and I cannot wait for you to see their samples. You're not going to believe this. Look at Taylor's mini slim line with this cluster, and look at the dimension. Let me show you. Look at the dimension she put on those. Popped up all over the place. So cute. And on the inside, she filled it with the little polka dot paper so she can write on that as well. But look, sending up very special prayers for you. Love this one. And then Shannon's. Shannon went all out. All out. You ready? Look at this. It's beautiful. She used the new Prima strawberry milkshake paper in the background. She colored her little jar. She did some paper piecing up here. How cute is that? And then she used markers. I'm so proud. Look how good her coloring is. And she hasn't really been coloring very long, but that looks really, really good. She's really learning. I knew she would. I told her if she ever picked up those markers, she'd love them. So there's the two samples you got. I cannot wait to play with it. I have all kinds of things in mind. I love these strawberries. I cannot wait. So there is your new set for July. I'm so excited about it. I hope you guys are too. So for those of you who have been around for a long time, you'll know that every time we release a new club set, we do a giveaway. And that is no different today. There is a $50 gift card up for grabs. All you have to do is get your stamp set, make a project with it, share it to our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, and you are entered to win. And there is a winner from last month listed in the top line of the description of this video. Hey, thank you guys so much for being a part of our club. If you're not a part of the club, check it out. The information for it is in the description below. This one's going to be a fun one. You're going to get a lot of use out of this. I can even see this for Christmas, like using this to do like little Christmas goodies or make a tag. It's such a good size to be a cute little tag for some homemade goodies. Sounds good to me. All right, guys, thanks so much for being here today. And until next time, bye now.